video, I'm going to give you just 5 of many reasons why Macao Beach is such a wonderful beginner surf spot. So we will literally start from the bottom up. The bottom on Macao Beach is completely sandy. There's no reef, no rocks, no coral. So you're safe walking in and out and falling off your surfboard. This makes it ideal if you have very little experience or you have never surfed at all. Another reason that makes Macao Beach such a beginner's paradise is that it is deliciously uncrowded. Most surfers that visit Macao are beginners and are surfing with instructors in the water. There are those that rent their boards and go out and practice their skills. There's really no judgment. Macao is an ego-free surfing environment. Something else that makes Macao such an amazing beginner spot is that waves most of the year are 2 to 5 feet high. Of course, there are cycles depending on the season where the waves are bigger in certain months than in other months. However, the advantage of Macao is that on its east side, there's always smaller waves due to the highland that is located to the east. So if you're coming and wondering what size waves you will have on your next visit to Punta Cana, you can look at this video here where I explain how the waves vary by season, and also this video here that explains how to read the forecast for Macao Beach. Another great thing about Macao Beach is that you can actually progress and increase the wave size depending on your skill level. So if you're taking various classes or staying for an extended period of time, you can change the location on the beach where you're surfing depending on your skills. You might start on smaller waves and you can easily progress on the same beach to bigger waves. So this makes Macao ideal for surfing progression without having to change the spot. So Macao has 6 different breaks depending how the waves are breaking, but you will have a lot of options depending on where you are on your surfing journey. And the best feature of Macao Beach is the friendliness of the people that are there. Either surfing or just hanging around on the beach, you will have the friendliest surfing crowd. Even though small, it's really amazing that you will meet people from all over the world with different surfing experiences and skill levels, and you will all meet in the lineup and you will have really nice conversations while you wait for waves. There is no localism in Macao. We are used to seeing visitors and welcome them with open arms. So don't worry about that. Everybody is welcome in the lineup independently of where you're from and how good a surfer you are. I am sure that at this point you have a pretty good idea of what to expect on Macao Beach. I really look forward to meeting you and welcoming you to our beautiful surf spot. If I have convinced you to try out surfing, if you have never surfed before, or if you are a beginner surfer and you feel confident that this is the right spot for you, please do not hesitate to call us. All the information is in the description below. Visit our website and contact us. Book a lesson, ask us about where to stay. Most of the hotels in Punta Cana are within 25 minutes, and we offer transportation to Macao from wherever you're staying in the area. I really look forward to welcoming you, so keep scrolling scrolling through our channel and you will learn more about Macao. I hope, above all, to see you in the lineup.